Good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll explain how to put background image on HTML. For example, if you are writing a HTML code something like this, see here on notepad, and this is the output. See here, this is the output background.image.html. So this particular notepad is in on my desktop and nature underscore bg, this is an image. So it is also on the desktop, so I'll open with paint. So just for you to show the image, this is the image I used as the background in this HTML code. Yeah, okay, this is the image what I have used. So I'll explain this code. Actually, in two ways we can keep the background for HTML web page. One is through styles and another is directly body background attribute. So on the styles, I open body, and body image is the attribute where you can get the resource or the location path of the image. So see here, body hyphen image colon URL in the sense the path where you get the image. I gave directly as nature bg.jpg because my notepad and this image are on the same location desktop, so I directly given the name of the image, so it just fetching that. And background size cover position is I just centered it, I just gave it repeat as no repeat. For example, if I give this as repeat, so you can observe the change. I just change this and I'll double click on this, the background will be repeated. See here, previously this part is empty without anything, and now as I gave it as repeat, so it is just taking as repeat the background. So what I'll do is I'll again say it to no repeat, so that it just uh, uses the single image. And as I said, we'll just remove this and save it again. I'll remove these comments also. How it looks with the just body background attribute. Save. Without styles, if we use directly body attribute, see here, the image just stretches and fills up to the background with this code. Okay, with this code, what it do means, it just stretches the background. So I'll just keep it like this, and I'll show one more thing. For example, if you want, okay, not only this, I'll show you one more thing. Actually, in the image area, you can replace with the web links. For example, this is the image on the internet. See here, this is a web page, and on this techanswer.com, there is an image in this particular web page. This image, if I right click and open in the new tab, this is the image path I got .png. See here, I'll copy this URL. What I'll do is I'll give exactly this URL at this place, paste it, and I'll save it. So once you save it, if I refresh the page, see here, that particular web page is came as the background or set as the background. So in your own way. I hope you like this tutorial. Please do hit a like if you like it, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.